So my two daily drivers right now is the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the LG V60. Now the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is running Android 12L One UI 4.1.1 with August 2022 security patches. So look, I got two major software issues with my Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let me explain, let's talk about it in this video. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So I've been using my Galaxy Z Fold 4 for business. And part of my business is dealing with social media. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, I do a lot of social media for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and everything else in between. Now, Facebook Messenger is a big part of my YouTube business and my other businesses, right? I get a bunch of notifications on Facebook Messenger. Now, my Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been tripping on me. I mean, completely tripping on me after the software update I received with this device. So let me show you what's going on here. Facebook Messenger. Now, on the cover display, I open up Facebook Messenger, right? Here, open up as normal. And I can open it up, but when I do get my messages, and you know the integration between Facebook and Messenger is all entwined. But when I open up Facebook Messenger, this is what I get. Now I have uninstalled it, reinstalled it, rebooted the device, factory resetted the device, and I'm still getting this on Facebook Messenger. Don't know if it's just my device, don't know if it's a software issue in the new One UI update that we just got, but this is it. All right, so that's a huge issue for me because I use Facebook Messenger all the time because I get a bunch of notifications. So even when I open up the device, this is another strange one here. Open up Facebook again. Okay, Facebook open up as normal, but again, I get a lot of business messages, right, through Messenger. So when I open it up, look what happens. It opened up a dual screen. So it opens up the dual screen and it's going out of control. So this is a major software issue for me because it shouldn't open up a dual screen, right? Because I didn't ask it to, but it is doing it by itself. So I know it's a software issue, got to be a software issue with One UI. And let me give you an example of, I know it has to be a software issue because I'm going to open up Facebook Messenger here on my LG V60, right? So let's go to Facebook. Here is Facebook, say Facebook login, open up Messenger, and boom, here's my Messenger, right? So there it is, my Facebook Messenger here on my LG V60. There it goes, right? All right. So that is a major issue for me. I get a lot of notifications. I got a lot of stuff that happens through Facebook Messenger for my business. So unfortunately on my Z Fold 4, it can't be used. Not only that, but it's forcing dual screen. So the next problem that I have is YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Yes, I'm a YouTube content creator and I have problems with YouTube. I watch YouTube every day, all day, sometimes binge watching some of my favorite creators, and I'm having this stupid issue. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here it is. Let me go to open up the YouTube app right here. And there's got to be a software issue here. Okay, so let me go to my channel, all right, and go to my videos and open up a video. And here's one of the problems. The on-screen controls usually fades out in the background. But in this case, looking at YouTube, the on-screen controls does not go away. Let me show you. As let that sit up there and play. And I'm going to open up YouTube on my LG V60. All right. And I'm going to open up the same app. All right. So here it is. The on-screen controls are gone. They're gone. So why the on-screen controls don't leave here? You have to actually press the X here in order for the on-screen controls to go away, which is so dumb, right? Another problem that I have is that once I get to the end of the video, and again, if I'm binge watching some YouTube content creators, right? So let's get that X out of the way, and I want y'all guys to see this. Now, I'm binge watching, I want to go to the next video. and I have it on automatic. So what's going to happen is it should go to the next video, and it's going to give you a countdown, maybe about 7 seconds or so, and it's going to count down to the next video. Okay, well, if I'm sitting binge watching my, my favorite creators, I run into this problem also. Now, as this video comes to a conclusion, I want y'all guys to see this. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! There go the on-screen controls again. They don't go away. So if I'm, got the device propped up and I'm binge watching YouTube, every time a new video come on, I actually have to manually press the X on every video. It's gotta be a software issue. And so if I'm binge watching, YouTube videos, right? And I just get rid of that. And I'm binge watching YouTube videos of my favorite creators. When they go to the next video, the on-screen buttons are gonna come back on and they don't go away. So if I'm watching multiple videos at a time, it's gonna suck, man. Because now if I'm laying back and I'm chilling and I'm watching YouTube videos and they go to the next video, now I got to come up and I have to hit the X button so the on-screen controls go away. It's funny. So on the cover display, I can do the rotation without having auto rotation on, but on the inner display, it doesn't do it. You have to have auto rotation on. And so here it is, it's stuck here. So it's stuck here. Let's see if I can get it off. Okay, so it's stuck. So I have auto rotation on and I'm stuck. So the Z Fold is stuck in landscape on YouTube. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Will it work? Will it work? Yeah, my goodness. So I do have auto rotation on and it's not working. Okay. Let me make sure I got auto rotation on. Yes, auto rotation is on. All right. So here it is. It doesn't want to come out of this mode here, right? So I'm in landscape. I got auto rotation on. So in order for me to do this, I have to go down to get out of YouTube. Okay. And let's see. All right, there we go. Let's get back into YouTube again. There's the camera. Let's get back into YouTube. All right, and let me go back to my channel. It don't matter what video I watch, but I want to, put it on my channel. All right, so I got a video playing. On-screen controls still on, right? Oh, there it is. Now it's rotating. Okay, it's rotating now. All right, so it's rotating now. Okay, but if I hit that, it's just gonna blow it up like that. The on-screen controls are gonna stay on. Listen, man, it's frustrating, man. Like, you wanna watch your content on a bigger display. I watch YouTube all the time, so I wanna watch it on a bigger display. Unfortunately, it's some issues, some software issues that's going on here. And again, I uninstalled everything, reinstalled everything. I factory reset the device. And the on-screen controls that you can see, you get a very horrible experience here, right? And look at that, right? You get a very bad experience here because you have to interact with the device. It doesn't want to do everything on its own. All right, so let me know down in the comments below, are you having these issues with your Galaxy Z Fold 4? If you are having these issues or any other issues that you having, please let me know down in the comments below. Now I make a video about some of these issues that a lot of people having with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you're not having these issues with Facebook Messenger and stuff like that, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Listen, if you want to see the Galaxy Fold go against the LG V60, click this video right here. Click this video right here and I'm gonna be in the comments. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.